Right, it's your boy D Money. We on another episode of Drip Talk. Sorry for the delay this week, but what we're going to talk about is how to make a logo for your brand. Now, here on Drip Talk, we like to talk about everything fashion, styles, trends, how to build your own style, the business of fashion, and also the industry as well too. So make sure that you like and subscribe to continue to get this same content on a consistent basis, so that way we continue to grow, scale our brand. And make sure you stay tuned for this commercial break as well too, and we'll be right back. What's good, everybody? This your boy D Money, and we got a new sale going on, 2 for $40 for all of our graphic tees, and all of our graphic tees are $25 individually. So make sure that you tap in, take advantage of the sale, get you right, get your kids right, and keep visualizing your purpose. I'm out. All right, y'all. So we back with it now. First and foremost, how to make a logo. Know your brand personality. You should have a clear idea of what your brand personality, is, and then what you want to convey before you start designing a company logo. Your brand story should be developed at this point. This is where you have an idea of who your audience is, number one. Number two, you have compiled your experiences and also gifts and talents, and also your life, personal story, in order to actually display the principles, brand values that you have for your brand, so that way you can showcase it to your audience through your logo and your products and or service. Number two is sketch out your ideas for about 5 or 10 logos, so that way you have a broad spectrum once you go into number three and you analyze your competition. Now, with the logos that you have sketched, I'm pretty sure some of your competitors have something similar to what yours looks like. So maybe you might need to dig deeper and analyze your personal experiences and your brand story, so that way you can see how you can impact your audience more with the logo that you have. You got companies like Apple, even like Diamond Supply, Beta Nate, even the historical logos that we talked about like Gucci and Louis Vuitton and Burberry, and those iconic logos. So definitely check out all types of logos, so that way, number one, you can you can create something that is unique. You can make sure that yours doesn't copy off of the previous logos that exist, and so that way you can go to number four and choose a legit design style for yours. It's very important to have a legit design style for your logo, so that way it's unique to your own, whether it's graffiti, more classic, casual, business-like, whatever it may be. Number five is decide on the type for your logo. Like I said, the fonts are very important, and also the graphics that you add to the logo is very important as well too, because everything has to capture the customer's eye. The next one is choosing the color wisely, and like I said before, also make sure you choose the font carefully as well too, so that way everything can catch the audience eye, captivating. It leads to attraction, and also builds interest, so that way they can have a feel and also an ideal of what your products and services offer. The next thing is keep it simple, man. Just want to keep everything simple for your audience. Your audience only wants majority of the things that you provide to be simple, just so that way they can go through their day-to-day life. A little bit of creativity keeps you unique from the rest, but simplicity is the key. Last and not least, it's always good to ask feedback, to hear from your friends and family, also co-workers, or just anybody that you may know or run into on a consistent basis. Just hearing their point of view counts, because it helps you to identify not only what you want as a customer, but also what the real customer wants as a customer. So take all these gems into account, and when you're making your logo for your brand, make sure that it's simplistic, it's got your